I don't know about you, but I absolutely love motion sensor lights. I was gifted this set by the company and I could not wait to install them. In the box, you get two 11-inch light strips and a Type-C charging cable. Each strip is magnetic, so they easily attach to any surface with no tools necessary. These lights come with 4 modes: always on, night, all day, and off. In motion sensor mode, they detect movement up to 10 feet away with a 120-degree range. You can also choose between a 10-second or a 20-second shutoff delay to save energy. There are 5 brightness levels, from a soft 20% glow to a full 100% brightness, so you can adjust the light to fit your space. Plus, the side lighting design reduces harsh glare, offering up to 240 lumens of soft, even light that's easy on the eyes. Installation is simple. Just peel and stick the included adhesive-backed plates for placement on multiple types of surfaces. I installed mine under my bathroom vanity. Now, when I get up in the middle of the night, the motion sensor lights my way without using our main bathroom lighting. No more fumbling around for the light switch or waking my husband up in the process.